last visit until the 1st,
All right.
okay?
Yeah. Thank you.
Did you work today?
Yeah, I was working out at the beach.
Oh, I meant, did you work, like work?
No, no. Nah, just studying and working out.
No. Did you run today?
Mm-hmm.
How far did you go?
Well, I walked and jogged like, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 miles.
That's good. Deep breath in. And out again. Nice. Good. Okay. Face me this way.
Yeah, I was feeling like I needed a adjustment.
Feel out of whack.
Mm-hmm.
Let's try this. Nice job, you're kidding.
Well, looser.
Hmm?
Getting looser.
Yeah. Good.
Sweet.
Hey, brother. Have a good turkey day, man.
Yeah.
Bye, have a good one.